Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Black Trojan Horse Gangsuosi model kit, and I ordered it from Hobby Ph, and now I got my hands on this very unique model that combines Godzilla or Raptor and the granddaddy Gundam, the RX-78 Gundam. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gangsuosi model here has to offer us. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows this kind of cover, this blueprint for the Gangsuosi, I mean. And there we got the logo here, Black Trojan Horse, an original version it says, and it was made 2025, and Gangsuosi there. So I ordered it from Hobby Ph, pre-order by February 2025, but I just got my hands on this kit on January 2026, so almost 1 year. So there we got the other side of the box, the back. We got to see the back portion or picture also of this Gangsuosi. So there's a Chinese logo there, and we got this side view of the head. It says wearing, something like that, and red, white, and blue color scheme. So I am expecting to have an Evangelion scheme for this, which is the purple, green, and black, because this has two features: the Evangelion and the RX-78 Granddaddy Gundam. And there we go, we got the brown box inside. It says here HEISEMUMA GANGSUOSI. Okay, I don't know what does this term mean, but if we open the box here, we can see the four slide decals, which is very nice. We got two sets of this there, and I like the logo there, as you can see there. Okay, so in the instruction manual there, it says Steel Dragon, and the left side you can see the RX-78 vibe for this Raptor-like mecha, and the Evangelion Unit 1 on the right side. Okay, so there. So I'm expecting that they will do another variant for this kit, which is this Evangelion in the future. So right now we got the RX-78 design. Okay, so if we check the parts list, it is not much. As you can see, we got the parts A, B, C runner. We got two kinds or two sets of that, and we got all these small runners. So if we go with the assembling process of the kit, it's not that much, and it's not that hard to build, as I can observe or rate. So I am confident that this kit is very easy to build, but of course this is a bootleg, or this is Chinese model kit, not a bootleg but a Chinese model kit. So expect some minor issues, especially the fitting issues, and you know, the plastic quality issues. So mind you, if you're going to build this, be careful and use your skills and patience for this. So there we go. It's very easy and very cool. The weapon is also cool. I really like this kind of gun and kind of sword there. Okay, so let's go with the packages. So we got here the first pack for the white parts. So we got this white armor pieces, and we got this brownish gray colored runner for the gun, and we got here this red parts, this clear pink parts, and those yellow parts. And we got on the third pack, we got those gray parts for the inner frames, and blue parts, and light gray parts for the armor pieces. And we got here another large gray parts with white parts on the package, and finally we got this another large runner here for the gray parts and white runners. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's go with this runner J here for the gun. And we got here small runner E for this white parts. We got this runner F for the white parts. And judging the plastic quality, the plastic quality is really bootleg. So as I can assess, the plastic is really hard, and it's not the same with the Bandai plastic feels. But I hope that this would be a very manageable plastic to build. Okay, and we got here runner A for this white parts, and we got this chunky pieces here, and those small parts for the V fins. We got this blue parts here, runner G, and we got this runner D here with this kind of dislodge parts there, and we got this very large runner here, runner B, and we got runner C, and I know this is a 2 set, so we got 2 sets of runner C here for this gray parts. Then we got this red parts, runner N, and the runner K. And for the yellow parts, we got this runner L and the runner M. And for this small white parts here, we got runner H, 2 sets of runner H, and runner I. So we got 2 sets of runner I. And for this clear pink parts, we got runner O. So see you next time on the finished build of this kit. Thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the GANGSOSI model kit from Black Trojan Horse.